Everyone here is really friendly. Like, I kind of had no idea what I was doing when I arrived, and they've been really good about teaching me. I studied a lot of marketing and business in college, but I didn't have a lot of hands-on experience with it, so I came here. Sometimes when you're looking for an internship, it's hard to find somewhere where you're doing like the actual work. Like, a lot of the time you're just doing stuff that doesn't even really need to be done. If you don't show up a day, it doesn't like really affect anything, but here you're part of the team, and you can see like the work you've done. It goes live on the web, and that's always kind of cool. Everyone is happy to work together on different things, because a lot of our projects involve, like, there's a little bit of coding and tech stuff, there's some graphic design, then there's the marketing aspect of it, and then everyone kind of works together so it's a finished product. So it's more hands-on than I think the average internship would be, so you're actually really learning practical skills. It's a really fun city. There's a lot of stuff to do. There's a lot of good restaurants and bars. There's a lot of cool rooftop bars, which has been fun. It's been nice because we do different things on different days. We have a pretty big range of clients. They do all kinds of different stuff. It's fun because it's just like an open office. You can kind of just talk to people. Everyone's focused, but it's fun.